ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗಡ ಎಷ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ
2 kg ರೀ. 2 kg
ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Introduction to grape cultivation in South India. Grapes are a highly favored fruit crop in South India, known for their versatility in consumption, from table grapes to wine production. Organic grape cultivation is gaining popularity due to its environmentally friendly and sustainable practices. South India's diverse climate and soil conditions offer a suitable environment for grape cultivation. Here's an introduction to grape cultivation in the region and a narrative on how Khuba products can benefit grape farming. Suitable grape varieties for organic farming in South India. Thompson seedless. This variety is renowned for its seedless green grapes. It thrives in the warm and dry climates of South India and is well suited for organic cultivation due to its resistance to diseases. Black Muscat. These grapes are known for their distinctive sweet flavor and are excellent for making raisins. They can be grown organically with proper pest and disease management. Bangalore Blue. A popular variety in Karnataka, it produces small, sweet, and black grapes. It's adaptable to organic farming practices in the region. Onab-e-Shahi, this variety yields large, dark purple grapes with a sweet taste. With proper care, it can flourish organically in South India's climate. Sultana, Thompson seedless. Similar to Thompson seedless, Sultana grapes are known for their seedlessness and are suitable for organic farming in the region. And many more. Further, we have provided comprehensive information about annual cost for 800 grapes plant per acre year, benefits of proper spacing between grape plants, grape root systems, flexible and healthy grape stem growth, grape leaves, grape flowers, addressing malnutrition, higher grape resins output, limitations of chemical fertilizers, sugar levels, insect control and companion plants, disease prevention and companion plants, grape shelf life, climatic tolerance, border plants, nurturing healthy grape plants through every growth stage. We recommend reaching out to your local agriculture departments. They can guide you with tailored advice to ensure successful cultivation. Introducing Khuba products, cultivating excellence in organic grape farming. In the world of agriculture, the journey from seed to harvest is a complex dance of nature's elements and human care. As we seek sustainable and nourishing ways to grow our crops, Khuba presents a revolutionary line of organic solutions designed to elevate grape farming to new heights of health, productivity, and environmental consciousness. Let's delve into the essence of Khuba products, their ingredients, and the remarkable benefits they offer for grape plant cultivation. Khuba Soil Conditioner, a symphony of nutrient enrichment. At the core of Khuba's philosophy lies the soil conditioner, a mineral-based organic fertilizer that acts as the cornerstone of grape plant nourishment. Its meticulously crafted composition includes essential macro and micronutrients, fostering robust root development and enhancing nutrient uptake. This blend comprises phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, humic acid, organic carbon, silicon, boron, manganese, iron, copper, amino acids, fulvic acid, sulfur, molybdenum, and a plethora of trace elements. The addition of nitrogen-fixing bacteria creates an environment that harmonizes soil life, naturally balancing pH levels. This conditioner is a testament to the art of nurturing the soil for bountiful grape harvests. Khuba Soil Booster, orchestrating microbial harmony. Khuba's Soil Booster is an organic seed treatment product that amplifies microbial activity, nurturing seeds and soil alike. The inclusion of neem, trichoderma, humic acid, amino acids, and seaweed extracts synergize to enhance germination, root growth, and nutrient absorption. This harmonious blend is the secret behind healthier plants that are more resilient against pests and diseases, allowing for thriving grape ecosystems. Khuba Growth Promoter, nurturing nature's resilience. Nature's harmony is further enhanced by Khuba's Growth Promoter, a water-soluble enhancer containing seaweed extract, amino acids, and minerals. This elixir fortifies grape plants during growth stages, promoting robust flowering, yield enhancement, and resilience even in low sunlight conditions. Its dual action through leaves and roots ensures comprehensive nourishment, and it stands as a testament to Khuba's commitment to harnessing nature's potential for optimal crop outcomes. Natural horticulture oil, nature's guardian in organic farming. Completing the quartet is the natural horticulture oil, a masterful blend of organic oils that serve as a guardian against pests and diseases. Components like azadirachtin, citral, linalool, and more act as nature's defenders, warding off unwanted intruders while fostering a safe haven for grapes to flourish. This safeguarding aspect aligns perfectly with the ethos of organic farming and preventive care. Organic excellence for grapes variety. Khuba products are versatile, catering to a wide range of grape varieties suitable for organic farming in India. From the succulent Thompson seedless to the rich Shiraz, the nurturing power of Khuba products can be harnessed to cultivate these grapes with the utmost care, yielding flavorsome and exquisite results. In summary, Khuba products epitomize a harmonious union between nature's wisdom and scientific innovation. Through their remarkable ingredients, these products elevate grape farming to an art that nurtures the soil, nourishes the plants, and yields the fruits of sustainable success. Join us in embracing a new era of organic grape cultivation with Khuba products and reap the abundant rewards of farming in harmony with nature. Using Khuba product. Khuba soil conditioner. 1. Apply 1 kg in the month of April or immediately after harvesting. 2. Apply 1 kg in the month of October or prior to pruning. Khuba soil booster. 1. Apply 1 kg per acre in the month of April or immediately after harvesting. 2. Apply 1 kg per acre in the month of October or prior to pruning. Khuba Growth Promoter and Natural Horticulture Oil. 1. Both products are water-soluble and can be used for spraying and drenching. This mixture is to be used for sanitizing seeds or saplings and can also be used after seeding. 2. From the 20th of April to the 20th of August, spray half a liter of natural horticulture oil and 125 grams of growth promoter every 20 days, totaling 8 sprays. 3. From the 10th of September to the 20th of October, spray 1 liter of natural horticulture oil and 250 grams of growth promoter every 20 days, totaling 4 sprays. Note: you can combine both products together, thus total sprays required would be 12. 4. From the 10th of November, spray 250 grams of growth promoter every 10 days and stop spraying about 2 weeks before harvesting. 5. From the 10th of November, spray 1 liter of natural horticulture oil every 20 days and stop spraying about 2 weeks before harvesting. Additionally, if required due to the presence of any insects or diseases, lack of sunlight disrupting photosynthesis, or cold weather caused by rains, repeat the application as needed based on local circumstances. Farmers have the flexibility to alternate between spraying and drenching, tailoring the application to their specific needs and preferences, depending on pruning techniques and the intended time for harvesting. Furthermore, we recommend incorporating cow-based products such as Jeevamruth and Gokrapamruth to further enhance the soil health. These products, derived from cow dung and cow urine, contain beneficial microorganisms and nutrients that contribute to the overall fertility and vitality of the soil. Applying Jeevamruth and Gokrapamruth as organic fertilizers can improve soil structure, nutrient availability, and microbial activity, ultimately benefiting the growth and development. We also recommend utilizing the uncultivated period by seeding your farms with various monocot, dicot, and oil seeds. You can sow 3 kilograms of each type of seed and an additional 5 kilograms of various different seeds. Allow these plants to grow and then mulch them back into the soil between the 45th and 50th day, before flowering. This practice provides diversity and natural green manure to your farms, enriching the soil and promoting overall soil health. It also deters invasive plants, controls insect populations, and helps avoid disease. By incorporating diverse plant species during the uncultivated period and utilizing cow-based products like Jivamruth and Gokrapamruth, farmers can enhance soil fertility, promote biodiversity, and foster sustainable farming practices. These practices contribute to healthier crops and improved overall farm productivity. Prices: Khuba soil conditioner, organic fertilizer, powder form, 50 kg bag, priced at Rs 1000. Granular form, 50 kg bag, priced at Rs 1200. Khuba soil booster, 5 kg bag, price Rs 750. Growth promoter, 500 grams pack, price Rs 550. Natural horticulture oil, 1 liter bottle, price Rs 900. These prices include transportation charges anywhere in Karnataka, that is to your nearest Vijay Anand Road Lines branch or Tilla dealer's stock point. Average cost per plant per year with preventive care using natural horticulture oil will be 90 rupees. 90 rupees per plant per year with preventive care. Average cost per plant per year without preventive care, that is excluding natural horticulture oil, will be 55 rupees. 55 rupees per plant per year. Note, the prices are indicative and may change at any time. Hence, buyers are requested to confirm prices at the time of purchase. Farmers from other states may kindly contact us for availability and pricing. Detailed information. Benefits of proper spacing between grape plants. Sunlight availability. Adequate spacing ensures that each grapevine receives sufficient sunlight exposure. This is crucial for photosynthesis, which drives plant growth and the development of quality fruit. Air circulation. Proper spacing allows for good air circulation between grapevines. This helps reduce humidity levels and minimizes the risk of fungal diseases such as powdery mildew and downy mildew. Disease prevention. With proper spacing, there is less likelihood of disease spreading from one plant to another. Improved air circulation prevents the buildup of moisture on leaves, reducing the risk of fungal infections. Insect management. Spacing grapevines apart makes it easier to monitor and manage insect pests. Insects tend to spread less easily when plants are not in close proximity. Yield optimization. Adequate spacing prevents overcrowding, which can lead to competition for resources. This can result in larger, healthier clusters of grapes and better fruit quality. Contribution to overall health, growth, and productivity. Proper spacing provides grapevines with room to grow and develop without competing for sunlight, water, and nutrients. It reduces the risk of diseases and allows for better pest management. When each grapevine has enough space, it can develop a strong root system, produce healthy leaves, and allocate resources to fruit production. This, in turn, contributes to higher yields of better quality grapes. Spacing guidelines. The exact spacing between grapevines depends on various factors including the grape variety, trellis system, and local climate. However, a general guideline is to leave around 6 to 8 feet between each grapevine within a row, and around 8 to 12 feet between rows. These distances can vary based on factors like the vigor of the variety. Some might require more space, trellis height, and whether the vineyard is mechanized or not. Narrative of Khuba products at the time of planting. Khuba soil conditioner. Ingredients. Khuba soil conditioner is rich in essential macro and micronutrients, nitrogen-fixing bacteria, and hygroscopic minerals. Benefits at planting. Incorporating Khuba soil conditioner during planting enhances soil health, ensuring that grapevines have access to necessary nutrients from the very beginning. This promotes healthy root development and overall growth. Khuba soil booster. Ingredients. Khuba soil booster contains neem, trichoderma, humic acid, and more. Benefits at planting. Treating the soil with Khuba soil booster before planting grapevines boosts microbial activity and root health. This sets the stage for stronger, disease-resistant plants. Khuba Growth Promoter. Ingredients. Khuba Growth Promoter includes seaweed extract, amino acids, and essential minerals. Benefits at planting. Applying Khuba Growth Promoter during planting enhances grapevine growth and resilience, helping them adapt to their new environment and thrive. Natural horticulture oil. Ingredients. Natural horticulture oil contains natural compounds like azadirachtin, citral, and linalool. Benefits at planting. Using natural horticulture oil at planting time acts as a preventive measure against pests and diseases. It supports the establishment of healthy grapevines, reducing the risk of early infestations. Incorporating Khuba products during planting ensures that grapevines start their journey with the best possible foundation, promoting vigorous growth, disease resistance, and ultimately, bountiful harvests. Nurturing grape root systems. Grape root development and importance. Healthy root systems are the foundation of strong grapevines. They anchor the plant, absorb nutrients and water, and establish a network for efficient resource uptake. Proper root development is essential for overall plant health, growth, and successful fruit production. Khuba Soil Conditioner. Primary role. Khuba Soil Conditioner provides a comprehensive array of macro and micronutrients. Secondary role. It encourages the growth of nitrogen-fixing bacteria, creating a symbiotic relationship with grape roots. Benefit. The nutrient-rich composition nourishes roots, enabling them to establish deeply and absorb vital elements. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria enhance nutrient availability, fostering vigorous root growth. Khuba Soil Booster. Primary role. Khuba Soil Booster includes neem, trichoderma, humic acid, and more. Secondary role. It stimulates soil microbiology, enhancing nutrient cycling and root symbiosis. Benefit. Neem and trichoderma components improve root health by warding off pests and supporting beneficial fungi. Humic acid amplifies nutrient absorption, aiding root establishment and growth. Khuba Growth Promoter. Primary role. Khuba Growth Promoter contains seaweed extract and amino acids. Secondary role. It fuels overall plant development, including root system expansion. Benefit. Seaweed extract stimulates root cell division and elongation, leading to a more extensive root system. Amino acids fortify root tissues, enhancing their resilience and capacity for nutrient uptake. Natural horticulture oil. Primary role. Natural horticulture oil contains insecticidal and antifungal compounds. Secondary role. It safeguards roots from pests and diseases. Benefit. The protective shield offered by natural horticulture oil ensures roots remain healthy and unharmed. Uncompromised roots are better equipped to establish and access essential resources. Khuba products synergistically support grape root development by delivering essential nutrients, fostering microbial activity, promoting root growth stimulation, and offering natural protection. These products collectively contribute to the formation of healthy, extensive, and resilient root systems, thereby laying the groundwork for thriving grapevines. Nurturing flexible and healthy grape stem growth. Importance of grape stem growth. Grape stems, or canes, are vital structures that support the plant, carry nutrients, and ultimately bear fruit clusters. The quality of grape stems directly influences fruit production and overall vine health. Stem growth with Khuba products. Khuba Soil Conditioner. Primary role. Khuba Soil Conditioner provides a plethora of macro and micronutrients. Secondary role. It fosters a balanced soil environment, promoting nutrient uptake and stem health. Benefit. The rich nutrient content supports robust stem development, ensuring strong and supple canes. Organic nutrients encourage the formation of flexible stem tissues, leading to greater resilience. Khuba Soil Booster. Primary role. Khuba Soil Booster contains humic acid, stimulating nutrient absorption. Secondary role. Improved nutrient uptake directly benefits stem growth. Benefit. Humic acid in Khuba Soil Booster enhances nutrient assimilation, allowing grapevines to build thicker and more flexible stems. These stems are less prone to brittleness. Khuba Growth Promoter. Primary role: Khuba Growth Promoter features seaweed extract and amino acids. Secondary role: it supports overall plant growth, including stem development. Benefit: the seaweed extract and amino acids in Khuba Growth Promoter stimulate stem cell division and elongation, resulting in more numerous, larger, and flexible canes. Natural horticulture oil. Primary role: natural horticulture oil acts as a natural defense against pests and diseases. Secondary role: healthy vines, aided by the oil, allocate resources for vigorous stem development. Benefit: protected by natural horticulture oil, grapevines allocate more energy to stem growth, creating resilient canes. This protective barrier contributes to stem flexibility. Organic versus chemical fertilizers. Organic fertilizers, such as Khuba products, promote soft and supple stems due to the balanced release of nutrients and soil enrichment. This balanced nutrition encourages the development of pliable stem tissues. In contrast, chemical or synthetic fertilizers can lead to brittle stems because of their rapid nutrient release, often resulting in excessive vegetative growth without the necessary structural support. Number, size, and length of healthy stems. The ideal number of stems per grapevine can vary but generally ranges from 4 to 12, depending on the vine's training system. Healthy stems should have a diameter of around 1/4 to 1/2 inch, 6 to 12 mm. The length of stems typically varies based on the grape variety and the trellis system in use. Khuba products promote robust grape stem growth by providing essential organic nutrients, enhancing nutrient absorption, and protecting against pests and diseases. These products result in sturdy and flexible stems compared to the brittleness often observed with chemical fertilizers. Thriving grape leaves. Elevating grape leaf health with Khuba products. Importance of grape leaf health. Grape leaves are the engines of photosynthesis, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy for the plant. Healthy leaves are essential for nutrient production, fruit development, and overall vine vigor. Leaf health with Khuba products. Khuba soil conditioner. Primary role: Khuba soil conditioner enriches soil with a spectrum of macro and micronutrients. Secondary role: it fosters a nutrient-rich soil environment, supporting leaf health. Benefit: the nutrient abundance provided by Khuba soil conditioner ensures grapevines have access to essential elements. This promotes the growth of an optimal number of leaves that are vibrant and well-sized. Khuba soil booster. Primary role: Khuba soil booster contains humic acid, enhancing nutrient absorption. Secondary role: improved nutrient uptake directly benefits leaf development. Benefit: humic acid in Khuba soil booster boosts nutrient absorption, enabling grape plants to produce larger and healthier leaves. These leaves are better equipped for photosynthesis. Khuba Growth Promoter. Primary role: Khuba Growth Promoter includes seaweed extract and amino acids. Secondary role: it stimulates overall plant growth, including leaf expansion. Benefit: the seaweed extract and amino acids in Khuba Growth Promoter encourage leaf cell division and elongation. This leads to an increased leaf count, larger leaf size, and overall lushness. Natural horticulture oil. Primary role: natural horticulture oil acts as a natural defense against pests and diseases. Secondary role: healthy vines, aided by the oil, allocate resources for vigorous leaf growth. Benefit: protected by natural horticulture oil, grapevines prioritize leaf health. This results in an optimal leaf canopy, maximizing photosynthesis potential. Number, size, and length of healthy leaves. The ideal number of leaves on a grapevine varies but typically ranges from 15 to 25 per cane. Healthy grape leaves should be large, typically ranging from 4 to 8 inches, 10 to 20 centimeter, in diameter. Leaf length varies based on the grape variety and growing conditions but is generally proportional to the size of the leaf. Khuba products foster grape leaf health by delivering essential nutrients, enhancing nutrient absorption, and protecting against pests and diseases. These products contribute to the growth of an optimal number of vibrant, well-sized leaves, maximizing the vine's photosynthesis potential. Orchestrating flourishing grape flowers with Khuba products. Flowering is a crucial stage in the grapevine's life cycle, as it marks the beginning of the process that leads to the formation of fruit. Grapevines are deciduous plants, meaning they shed their leaves during the winter, and when spring arrives, they begin to produce new shoots, leaves, and eventually flowers. Grapevines typically have separate male and female flowers, and the flowers are borne in clusters known as inflorescences. The flowers are small and may not be as showy as flowers of some other plants, but they are essential for the grapevine's reproductive process. The male flowers produce pollen, which is carried by the wind or insects to the female flowers, where pollination occurs. This pollination is necessary for the development of fruit. After successful pollination, the fertilized female flowers develop into grape berries, which contain the seeds of the next generation. The flowering and fruiting stages are critical for grape production, as the quality and quantity of the flowers directly impact the yield and characteristics of the grapes that will eventually be harvested. In summary, grapevines do flower, and the flowering stage is a vital step in the grapevine's life cycle that leads to the production of grapes. Khuba products, including Khuba Soil Conditioner, Khuba Soil Booster, Khuba Growth Promoter, and Natural Horticulture Oil, take center stage in promoting grape flowering, enhancing flowers, and preventing flower drop. These products, enriched with vital ingredients, support the growth of abundant, vibrant, and persistent flowers in healthy grape plants. Importance of grape flowering and healthy flowers. Grape flowering is the precursor to fruit production, making it a critical phase in a vine's life cycle. Healthy flowers, when properly nourished and protected, lead to successful fruit set and yield. Flowering with Khuba products. Khuba Soil Conditioner. Primary role. Khuba Soil Conditioner delivers essential nutrients, including phosphorus and potassium. Secondary role. These nutrients play a pivotal role in flower initiation and development. Benefit. Adequate phosphorus and potassium from Khuba Soil Conditioner stimulate grapevines to produce more flower buds and enhance the size and quality of flowers. Khuba Soil Booster. Primary role. Khuba Soil Booster, with humic acid, supports nutrient uptake. Secondary role. Improved nutrient absorption directly benefits flower formation. Benefit. Humic acid in Khuba Soil Booster aids in nutrient transportation, ensuring flowers receive the necessary nutrients for optimal growth and development. Khuba Growth Promoter. Primary role. Khuba Growth Promoter, with seaweed extract and amino acids, boosts overall plant health. Secondary role. It promotes flower initiation and robustness. Benefit. The seaweed extract and amino acids in Khuba Growth Promoter encourage grapevines to initiate and develop a greater number of flowers, leading to larger, healthier blooms. Natural Horticulture Oil. Primary role. Natural horticulture oil protects flowers from pests and diseases. Secondary role. Healthy vines, aided by the oil, allocate resources for flower development. Benefit. Flowers protected by natural horticulture oil remain unharmed, leading to a higher percentage of persistent blooms. Number, size, and length of healthy flowers. Healthy grape plants can produce anywhere from 50 to 200 flower clusters, depending on the grape variety and growing conditions. Ideal flower size varies but generally ranges from 1/4 to 1/2 inch, 6 to 12 mm, in diameter. Flower length is typically around 1/4 to 1/2 inch, 6 to 12 mm, again varying with grape variety. Khuba products play an essential role in initiating grape flowering, enhancing flowers, and preventing flower drop. These products contribute to the growth of abundant, vibrant, and persistent flowers, ensuring successful fruit set and optimal yield. Addressing malnutrition. Khuba products are designed to enrich the soil with a balanced blend of essential macro and micronutrients. When grapevines receive optimal nutrition from the soil, they can overcome deficiencies that often lead to malnutrition. These products provide elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and trace minerals that are vital for healthy plant growth. By nourishing the grapevines with these nutrients, Khuba products promote robust foliage, strong root systems, and overall plant vigor, mitigating malnutrition issues. Enhancing fruit production. Fruit production heavily relies on the health of the grapevine, its ability to allocate resources, and the availability of necessary nutrients. Khuba products play a crucial role in enhancing fruit production through various mechanisms. Khuba Growth Promoter. With seaweed extract and amino acids, it supports plant growth, including fruit-bearing parts. Khuba Soil Booster. By enhancing nutrient absorption, it aids in the formation and development of healthy fruits. Natural horticulture oil. Protecting the vines from pests and diseases ensures that the plant's resources are focused on fruit development. Improving flavor, aroma, and sweetness. The flavor, aroma, and sweetness of grapes are influenced by various compounds, most notably sugars and aromatic compounds. Khuba products can indirectly enhance these characteristics. Khuba Soil Conditioner and Khuba Soil Booster. By providing a balanced nutrient profile, they promote the synthesis of sugars and other compounds that contribute to flavor and sweetness. Khuba Growth Promoter. Its seaweed extract can stimulate the production of secondary metabolites that contribute to flavor and aroma. Natural horticulture oil. Protecting the vines from stressors like pests and diseases can prevent negative impacts on fruit quality. Flavor-enhancing compounds in grapes. The ingredient in grapes that provides flavor, aroma, and taste is a combination of various compounds, including sugars, organic acids, and volatile aromatic compounds. These compounds interact to create the distinctive taste and aroma of different grape varieties. Sweetness, flavor, and aroma. The content that contributes to the sweetness, flavor, and aroma of grapes is primarily sugars, such as glucose and fructose, along with a complex blend of organic acids and volatile compounds. The balance of sugars, acids, and aromatics determines the overall sensory experience of the grapes. Khuba products indirectly contribute to these characteristics by fostering optimal plant health, nutrient uptake, and natural protection, allowing the grapevines to allocate resources for producing compounds that enhance sweetness, flavor, and aroma. In summary, Khuba products can address malnutrition by enriching the soil, enhance fruit production through improved plant health, and potentially improve the flavor, aroma, and sweetness of grapes by supporting the synthesis of flavor-enhancing compounds. However, it's important to note that while Khuba products can contribute positively to these aspects, grape quality is also influenced by factors such as grape variety, climate, and vineyard management practices. Limitations of chemical fertilizers. Khuba organic products promote consistent size and weight development in grapes through their unique composition and approach to nutrient delivery. Here's how they achieve this and why chemical fertilizers have limitations in achieving the same result. Khuba organic products. Balanced nutrient supply. Khuba organic products, such as Khuba Soil Conditioner, Soil Booster, and Growth Promoter, provide a balanced blend of essential macro and micronutrients to grapevines. This balanced nutrition ensures that the plants receive all the necessary elements required for healthy growth, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals. Enhanced nutrient absorption. These products contain components like humic acid and seaweed extract that improve nutrient absorption by grape plants. This enhanced nutrient uptake ensures that the vines have a consistent supply of nutrients throughout their growth cycle. Sustained release. Khuba organic products provide nutrients to the grapevines in a sustained release fashion. Unlike some chemical fertilizers that can lead to nutrient imbalances or excessive growth spurts, Khuba products support steady and balanced growth. Soil health. These products also contribute to soil health and microbial activity, creating an environment in which nutrients are made available to plants over an extended period. Healthy soil leads to consistent nutrient availability. Stress resistance. Khuba products promote plant health and vigor, making grapevines more resilient to environmental stresses. This resilience helps prevent growth setbacks caused by stress. Limitations of chemical fertilizers. Imbalanced nutrition. chemical fertilizers often provide a narrow range of nutrients, which can lead to imbalances in the soil and hinder consistent growth. Over-reliance on chemical fertilizers can result in deficiencies or excesses of certain nutrients. Fast release. Chemical fertilizers release nutrients quickly, which can lead to rapid vegetative growth but may not support balanced fruit development. This can result in uneven grape size and weight. Soil degradation. Continuous use of chemical fertilizers without attention to soil health can degrade soil structure and microbial populations, negatively impacting nutrient availability and consistency in grape development. Environmental impact. Chemical fertilizers can have negative environmental effects, including nutrient runoff into waterways, which can lead to pollution and imbalances in aquatic ecosystems. In summary, Khuba organic products promote consistent grape size and weight development by providing balanced, sustained release nutrients, enhancing nutrient absorption, and supporting soil and plant health. Chemical fertilizers, in contrast, can lead to imbalances, rapid growth spurts, and soil degradation, making it more challenging to achieve consistent fruit size and weight while potentially harming the environment. Sugar levels and grape plant growth. A comprehensive overview. The relationship between plant sugar levels and various aspects of grape plant growth is intricate and crucial for overall plant health, resilience, and productivity. Let's delve into how different sugar levels impact different facets of grape plant growth, including protein production, enzyme activity, flowering, fruiting, survival, water retention, insect resistance, and more. Sugar levels and growth phases. Below 2 Brix. When grape plants produce sugar levels below 2 Brix, their chances of survival are significantly compromised. At this stage, the plant may struggle to support essential metabolic processes and growth. 2 to 6 Brix. Sugar levels between 2 and 6 Brix activate the plant's metabolites, providing a better chance for thriving. However, growth may still be limited, and the plant may not reach its full potential. 7 to 12 Brix. Sugar levels between 7 and 12 Brix result in improved water retention capacity. As sugar content increases, the plant's ability to retain water improves, enhancing its resilience to drought and stress. Insect resistance and plant health. Aphids and sucking insects. 7 to 9 Brix. Aphids prefer plants producing sugar between 6 and 8 Brix. Sucking insects are attracted to plants with sugar levels between 7 and 9 Brix. Chewing insects. 9 to 11 Brix. Chewing insects are attracted to plants with sugar levels between 9 and 11 Brix. Grasshoppers. 10 to 12 Brix. The grasshopper group is attracted to plants with sugar levels between 10 and 12 Brix. Frequency emission and insect attraction. Plants with good mineral balance emit different frequencies than those with deficiencies, affecting the attraction of insects. Achieving a Brix reading of 12 or higher confers reasonable plant pest immunity, as the plant's frequency does not align with the insect's food sources. Frost protection and freezing resistance. A higher sugar content in plants acts as protection against frost damage and freezing. The elevated sugar levels act as a natural antifreeze, preventing ice crystal formation within plant cells. Flowering and Brix readings. Brix readings remain high throughout the flowering stage when the plant was well fed during vegetative growth. Monitoring nutrient ratios is crucial to prevent a drop in Brix readings during flowering. Consequences of lower sugar conditions. Lower sugar conditions lead to reduced protein production and enzyme activity. This negatively impacts the overall plant life cycle, from growth and flowering to fruiting and seed development. Khuba products role. Khuba products enhance soil health, nutrient availability, and overall plant vigor. The soil conditioner and soil booster improve soil structure and water retention, helping maintain optimal sugar levels. The growth promoter supports plant growth, flowering, and resilience. The enhanced nutrient uptake and natural defense mechanisms contribute to balanced sugar levels. The natural horticulture oil protects plants from pests and diseases, preventing stress-induced sugar reduction. Sugar levels significantly impact various aspects of grape plant growth, from survival to flowering and insect resistance. Achieving higher Brix readings enhances overall plant health, resilience, and pest immunity. Khuba products play a vital role in maintaining optimal sugar levels by enhancing soil health, nutrient uptake, and defense mechanisms. This holistic approach supports grape plants in reaching their full potential and contributes to a thriving vineyard ecosystem. Enhanced resin production in organic grapes with Khuba products. Organic grape cultivation in India has gained popularity for several reasons, including its ability to yield higher quantities of resins compared to grapes cultivated with chemical fertilizers. Here's a breakdown of why organic farming, supported by Khuba products, contributes to this phenomenon. Balanced nutrient uptake. Organic farming, with the use of Khuba soil conditioner, provides a diverse range of essential nutrients to the soil. This diversity supports balanced nutrient uptake by grapevines, allowing them to access the nutrients needed for optimal growth and resin production. In contrast, chemical fertilizers often provide a narrower range of nutrients, potentially limiting the grapevine's ability to synthesize resins effectively. Microbial activity. Khuba products promote beneficial microbial activity in the soil. These microorganisms, fostered by Khuba's soil booster, play a vital role in breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients in forms readily available to plants. This improved soil health enhances the vitality of grapevines, including their resin-producing capabilities. Stress response. Organic farming practices, combined with Khuba Growth Promoter, focus on building resilient and robust grapevines. These plants are better equipped to handle various environmental challenges, such as pests and diseases. In response to stressors, grapevines naturally increase their resin production as a defense mechanism. Khuba products contribute to this by supporting the overall health of the plants. Slow release of nutrients. Khuba products ensure the slow release of nutrients to grapevines. This gradual nutrient availability, facilitated by Khuba soil conditioner, supports consistent growth and resin synthesis. In contrast, chemical fertilizers can lead to rapid nutrient uptake, potentially causing imbalances and affecting resin formation negatively. Soil structure and water retention. Khuba products improve soil structure and water retention, guaranteeing a steady supply of moisture to grapevines. Adequate moisture levels positively influence resin synthesis, which can be observed in the form of higher resin yields in organic grapes. Beneficial compounds. Organic grape cultivation, with the assistance of Khuba products, often results in higher levels of beneficial compounds. These include antioxidants, secondary metabolites, and notably, increased sugar content in the grapes. As grapevines are provided with sufficient nutrients and care using Khuba products, they tend to allocate more energy to sugar production. This higher sugar content contributes to the enhanced weight of both the grapes and dried resins, making them more appealing in terms of flavor, aroma, and potential health benefits. In summary, the combination of organic farming practices, supported by Khuba products, creates an environment that encourages grapevines to allocate energy towards the synthesis of resins and other beneficial compounds. This not only enhances the quality of grapes but also contributes to their potential health benefits, making organic grape cultivation a favorable choice for farmers in India. Insect control and benefits of companion plants. Grapes can be susceptible to various insects and pests that can damage the plants and reduce fruit quality and yield. Some of the common insects and pests known to attack grape plants include grape phylloxera. These tiny aphid-like insects feed on grapevine roots, causing damage to the plant's vascular system. Grape leafhoppers. Leafhoppers feed on grape leaves, causing stippling and damage to the foliage. They can also transmit diseases. Grape berry moths. The larvae of these moths can damage grape clusters by feeding on the berries, leading to fruit loss. Grapevine mealybugs. Mealybugs can infest leaves and clusters, feeding on plant sap and secreting honeydew, which can promote the growth of sooty mold. Birds. While not insects, birds like starlings and blackbirds can also be significant pests, as they can consume grape berries. How Khuba products address insect control and enhance plant health. Khuba Natural Horticulture Oil. Organic composition. Khuba Natural Horticulture Oil is composed of natural oils with insecticidal properties. Pest control. It acts as a natural insecticide and repellent, deterring various pests like mealybugs and aphids. Benefit. By using natural horticulture oil, grape growers can proactively protect their plants from insect infestations in an organic and environmentally friendly way. Khuba Soil Booster and Khuba Growth Promoter. Organic composition. Both products contain components that enhance plant health, such as humic acid and seaweed extract. Pest resistance. Healthy grapevines are better equipped to resist and recover from insect attacks. Humic acid in Khuba Soil Booster enhances nutrient absorption, further supporting plant health. Benefit. When Khuba Soil Booster and Khuba Growth Promoter are used, grape plants develop robust root systems and overall health, making them less susceptible to pest damage. Companion plants for natural pest control. Companion planting with insect-repelling plants can be a valuable strategy to deter pests from grapevines. Some examples of suitable companion plants include lavender. Lavender has aromatic oils that deter many pests, including moths and leafhoppers. Rosemary. Rosemary's strong aroma can repel pests like flies and mosquitoes. Marigolds. Marigolds release compounds that deter nematodes and aphids. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums attract aphids away from grapevines, serving as sacrificial plants. Mint. Mint can repel ants and flies. Benefits of using Khuba products and companion plants for insect control. Organic and environmentally friendly. Khuba products are organic and do not harm beneficial insects, fostering a more sustainable ecosystem. Targeted pest control. Natural horticulture oil and companion plants target specific pests without the broad impact of chemical pesticides. Prevention of infestations. These products and companion plants serve as preventive measures, reducing the likelihood of infestations. Enhanced plant health. Khuba Soil Booster and Growth Promoter contribute to plant health, enabling plants to resist pests naturally. Reduced chemical load. By using organic methods and companion plants, grape growers can reduce their reliance on chemical pesticides, promoting safer and healthier vineyards. In summary, Khuba products and companion plants offer a holistic and environmentally friendly approach to insect control, enhancing plant health, preventing infestations, and reducing the need for chemical interventions in grape cultivation. Disease preventing and companion plants. Grape plants can be susceptible to various diseases that can impact their health and yield. Some common diseases that affect grape plants include powdery mildew, a fungal disease that appears as a white powdery substance on leaves and fruit clusters, leading to reduced photosynthesis and fruit quality. Downy mildew, another fungal disease that causes yellow lesions on leaves, leading to defoliation and fruit rot. Botrytis bunch rot, grey mold. This fungal disease affects grapes, especially in wet conditions, causing grayish mold on berries and reducing yield and quality. Black rot, caused by a fungus, it leads to black, circular lesions on leaves, fruit, and stems. Phomopsis cane and leaf spot, this disease causes dark spots on leaves and canes, leading to reduced photosynthesis and weakened vines. Pierce's disease, a bacterial disease transmitted by sharpshooters, it can lead to leaf scorching, defoliation, and eventually vine death. Khuba products and disease resistance in grapes. Khuba Soil Conditioner. Primary role, provides essential nutrients, including potassium and calcium, which contribute to disease resistance by strengthening cell walls. Secondary role, improves soil structure and microbial activity, supporting a balanced soil ecosystem that can help suppress disease-causing pathogens. Khuba Soil Booster. Primary role, enhances nutrient uptake through humic acid, promoting overall plant health and resistance to diseases. Secondary role, encourages the growth of beneficial microorganisms that can compete with pathogens for resources. Khuba Growth Promoter. Primary role, contains amino acids and seaweed extract that boost plant health and vigor, making the plant better equipped to resist diseases. Secondary role, enhances nutrient absorption, further supporting the plant's immune system. Natural horticulture oil. Primary role, acts as an antifungal and antibacterial agent, preventing the establishment of disease-causing pathogens. Secondary role, creates a protective barrier on plant surfaces, reducing the vulnerability to fungal infections. Companion plants for disease prevention. Some companion plants can help deter grape diseases. Chives, their sulfur compounds can deter powdery mildew. Rosemary, known for its antifungal properties. Thyme, contains essential oils with antifungal and antibacterial properties. Lavender, can repel pests and prevent fungal diseases. Garlic, its sulfur compounds can help deter fungal diseases. Benefits of Khuba products and disease-preventing companion plants. Organic and environmentally friendly, Khuba products and companion plants offer eco-friendly disease control methods. Strengthened immune system, they enhance the plant's natural defense mechanisms, making it more resilient to diseases. Pathogen inhibition, Khuba products and companion plants can inhibit the growth and establishment of disease-causing pathogens. Improved plant health, by providing essential nutrients and supporting microbial activity, they promote overall plant health. Importance of disease prevention. Preventing diseases is essential for maintaining optimal grape plant growth, maximizing yield, and ensuring fruit quality, reducing the need for chemical interventions. In summary, Khuba products and disease-preventing companion plants offer a holistic approach to disease prevention in grape cultivation, promoting plant health, inhibiting pathogens, and reducing the environmental impact of disease control methods. Balancing grape shelf life, Khuba organic versus chemical residue impact. Khuba organic products and chemical residues play pivotal roles in determining the shelf life of grapes. Understanding the differences between these approaches sheds light on how Khuba products contribute to longer-lasting, healthier grapes. Chemical residue and grape shelf life. Residue accumulation. Chemical pesticides and fertilizers often leave residues on grape surfaces due to their synthetic nature. These residues can be composed of various synthetic compounds, some of which are designed to persist on the plant to provide prolonged protection against pests and diseases. Impact on quality. Chemical residues can negatively impact grape quality. Residues can alter the taste, texture, and appearance of grapes, making them less appealing to consumers. Shortened shelf life. Chemical residues can lead to premature decay and spoilage of grapes. Residues can create a favorable environment for pathogens to thrive, accelerating the deterioration process. Consumer health concerns. The presence of chemical residues on grapes raises concerns about consumer health. Consuming grapes with chemical residues may expose individuals to potential health risks associated with synthetic compounds. Washing challenges. Removing chemical residues from grapes requires thorough washing, which may not always be feasible, especially in large-scale production and distribution. Incomplete washing can result in lingering residues. Regulatory limits. Regulatory bodies set maximum residue limits, MRLs, for various chemicals on food products, including grapes. Exceeding these limits can result in regulatory issues and impact market access. Khuba organic products and extended grape shelf life. Residue-free. Khuba organic products, being natural and organic, do not leave harmful residues on grape surfaces. This absence of residues eliminates concerns about their impact on grape quality and safety. Balanced nutrition. Khuba products enhance grape health through balanced nutrition. Well-nourished grapevines are more resilient, resulting in fruits that can withstand transportation and storage stresses. Reduced pathogen susceptibility. Healthy plants from Khuba products are less susceptible to pathogens, reducing the likelihood of premature decay and spoilage during storage. No consumer health concerns. Khuba organic products do not pose health risks to consumers, as they are derived from natural sources and do not leave harmful residues. Environmentally friendly. Organic products support a sustainable agricultural ecosystem. They reduce the environmental burden associated with chemical runoff, protecting ecosystems and water sources. Quality preservation. With no chemical residues impacting their quality, grapes treated with Khuba products can maintain their natural flavors, textures, and appearances, resulting in a longer shelf life. In conclusion, chemical residues from synthetic pesticides and fertilizers can significantly affect grape shelf life by compromising quality, accelerating decay, and raising health concerns. Khuba organic products offer a residue-free alternative, promoting grape health and longevity without the drawbacks associated with chemical residues. This approach aligns with the growing consumer demand for safe, healthy, and environmentally responsible food options. Enhancing climatic tolerance in grape plants with Khuba products. Khuba products, including the soil conditioner, soil booster, growth promoter, and natural horticulture oil, offer a holistic approach to enhancing climatic tolerance in grape plants. These products collectively improve soil structure, regulate moisture levels, strengthen defense mechanisms, and promote efficient water use, leading to grape plants that can withstand temperature fluctuations, moisture stress, and other environmental challenges. Improving soil structure and moisture regulation. Soil conditioner and soil booster. Khuba soil conditioner and soil booster contribute to soil health by improving its structure. They enhance soil aggregation, reducing compaction and promoting better water infiltration and drainage. This improved soil structure helps roots access water more effectively and prevents waterlogging during heavy rainfall, thus reducing the risk of root rot. Hygroscopic properties. The hygroscopic nature of Khuba products allows them to absorb moisture from the air and release it to plants as needed. This property helps maintain optimal moisture levels in the soil, preventing both excess dryness and waterlogged conditions. Strengthening defense mechanisms and stress resistance. Growth promoter. The Khuba growth promoter contains components like seaweed extracts and amino acids that enhance the natural defense mechanisms of grape plants. This leads to increased stress resistance, allowing the plants to better handle temperature fluctuations, drought, and other environmental stresses. Natural horticulture oil. The natural horticulture oil's insecticidal, antifungal, and herbicidal properties help protect grape plants from stress-induced damage caused by pests and diseases. Healthy plants are more resilient and better equipped to endure adverse conditions. Efficient water use and temperature regulation. Water-soluble components. The water-soluble nature of Khuba products allows grape plants to absorb essential nutrients efficiently through irrigation. This efficient nutrient uptake aids in maintaining plant health and vigor, particularly during challenging climatic conditions. Cooling effect. The hygroscopic properties of Khuba products create a cooling effect by releasing moisture into the surrounding environment. This cooling effect mitigates the impact of high temperatures on plant growth, reducing heat stress. Optimal hydration. The ability of Khuba products to regulate moisture levels in the soil ensures that grape plants maintain optimal hydration. This is crucial for their ability to perform essential processes such as photosynthesis and nutrient transport. In conclusion, Khuba products contribute to enhancing climatic tolerance in grape plants through improved soil structure, moisture regulation, strengthened defense mechanisms, efficient water use, and temperature regulation. By providing grapes with the tools they need to effectively manage environmental challenges, these products support grape plants in maintaining optimal health, growth, and productivity, even in the face of varying climatic conditions. List of disease-preventing companion plants that can be strategically planted as border plants for grape plants to help deter diseases. Castor plant, Ricinus communis, insect repellent. Castor plants emit a scent that repels many insect pests, including aphids and whiteflies, which can harm grape plants. Nematode deterrent. Castor plants have a reputation for deterring nematodes, microscopic soil-dwelling worms that can damage plant roots. Allelopathic effects. Castor plants release allelopathic compounds that inhibit the germination and growth of some weed species, helping to suppress weed competition around grape plants. Organic material. Castor plants can be used as a source of organic matter when incorporated into the soil, improving soil structure and fertility. By including castor plants in your grape vineyard as a border or interplanting them, you can enhance disease prevention and create a more robust and balanced ecosystem that supports the health and well-being of your grape plants. Marigold, Tagetes spp. Marigolds emit compounds that repel nematodes and some insect pests. They also help improve soil health and suppress weeds. Chrysanthemum, Chrysanthemum spp. Chrysanthemums contain natural compounds with insecticidal and fungicidal properties, making them effective against various pests and diseases. Nasturtium, Tropaeolum modus. Nasturtiums act as a trap crop for aphids and whiteflies, diverting these pests away from grape plants. They also release natural chemicals that deter certain pests. Garlic, Allium sativum. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that have antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can help prevent fungal diseases in grape plants. Basil, Ocimum basilicum. Basil emits aromatic compounds that repel insects and can help deter pests that could potentially affect grape plants. Lavender, Lavandula spp. Lavender's fragrant oils repel insects like moths, fleas, and mosquitoes. It can also enhance the overall biodiversity of the garden. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Thyme releases aromatic oils that repel pests and can help suppress soil-borne diseases. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis. Rosemary's strong aroma deters a range of pests and can contribute to overall garden health. Oregano, Origanum vulgare. Oregano's aromatic oils have insect-repelling properties and can also help deter pests. Alyssum, Lobularia maritima. Alyssum attracts beneficial insects like hoverflies and lacewings that feed on aphids and other pests. Calendula, Calendula officinalis. Calendula's bright flowers attract beneficial insects and can help deter certain pests. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Yarrow's aromatic foliage can repel certain pests and improve soil health. Fennel, Feniculum vulgare. Fennel attracts beneficial insects like ladybugs and hoverflies while also acting as a trap crop for some pest species. Chives, Allium sonoprasum. Chives contain sulfur compounds that help deter pests and improve overall garden health. By planting these disease-preventing companion plants as border plants for grape plants, you can create a more biodiverse and balanced ecosystem that naturally deters pests and diseases. This approach aligns with organic and sustainable gardening practices, reducing the need for chemical interventions while promoting the health and vitality of your grape plants. Khuba products, nurturing healthy grape plants through every growth stage. Phase 1, carbohydrate production and resistance to soil pathogens. Khuba soil conditioner, improves soil health and nutrient availability, ensuring grape plants receive essential minerals and organic carbon required for photosynthesis and carbohydrate production. Khuba soil booster, enhances microbial activity in the soil, aiding in the breakdown of organic matter, making nutrients more accessible to plants for carbohydrate production. Khuba growth promoter, supports photosynthesis and carbohydrate synthesis, ensuring grape plants have the energy they need for growth and resistance to soil pathogens. Natural horticulture oil, acts as a preventive care measure, protecting plants from soil-borne diseases that could hinder carbohydrate production. Phase 2, protein production and resistance to insects. Khuba soil booster, boosts microbial activity, facilitating the breakdown of organic matter and the release of essential nutrients, which grape plants use to synthesize proteins. Khuba growth promoter, enhances nutrient uptake, promoting robust protein production. It also supports resistance to insect pests by bolstering overall plant health. Natural horticulture oil, acts as a natural defense against insects, providing an additional layer of protection during this phase. Phase 3, fat storage and resistance to airborne pathogens. Khuba growth promoter, supports the efficient utilization of excess energy, aiding in fat storage within the plant. This surplus energy enhances the plant's ability to resist airborne pathogens. Khuba soil conditioner, maintains soil health and microbial diversity, indirectly contributing to the overall well-being of grape plants during this phase. Natural horticulture oil continues to protect against airborne pathogens, ensuring that the plant's energy reserves are allocated to growth rather than defense. Phase 4: Plant protectants and beetle protection. Natural horticulture oil provides protection against pests, including beetles, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Khuba Soil Conditioner and Khuba Soil Booster. By enhancing soil health and plant vigor, these products indirectly contribute to plant protection, making grape plants less attractive to pests. In summary, Khuba products provide comprehensive support to grape plants throughout their growth stages by enhancing soil health, nutrient availability, and overall plant vitality. This holistic approach facilitates the seamless progression of grape plants through various phases, from carbohydrate production to resistance against pathogens and pests. The outcome is healthier grape plants, increased yields, and the adoption of sustainable cultivation practices. Various links to full videos showcasing farmers using our products are provided in the comments section. Experience the future of agriculture with Khuba products, harnessing the power of organic farming for healthier crops, sustainable practices, and bountiful harvests.